You must know that every successful forex trader was once an unsuccessful forex trader. Never forget that. Being a profitable or a successful forex trader is simply about following a trading routine. Honestly, that's everything you need to understand about becoming a successful and a profitable forex trader. If you truly know and fully understand what the right trading routine is, then you don't have to watch this video. But to truly understand what the right trading routine is and what it looks like and how you can get one for yourself, you should watch this video to the end. Because if you do watch this video to the end without skipping and actually listen to everything I have to say on a deep level, then you'll be in the minority of successful traders or on your way to. Before we dive deep into getting the right trading routine, we must first examine what exactly is a trading routine. Now, according to Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, a routine is a usual or fixed way of doing things. Also, according to other researchers, a routine is a sequence of actions regularly followed. A sequence is simply related actions that follow each other or carrying out actions regularly. I have to break that concept down really quick so we would connect it to trading and benefit from how this will make us and turn us into a successful and a profitable forex trader. Now that you know what a trading routine is, if you did it, you can rewind to play it again to fully understand. We can now move on to know what exactly is a trading routine, since we already know what a routine is. Now, what is a trading routine? After explaining this, I will show you how to create a trading routine and begin or instantly become consistent and profitable in your own forex journey. A trading routine is simply a set or a group of disciplined acts or activities carried out or done by traders in order to give themselves a chance of success. Guys, I hope you understand what this means. Now that we've understood what a routine and a trading routine is, we're good to go. Listen, before you become a trader who needs a trading routine, you must first pass these three criteria, or should I say, must be in these three categories. These are the three criteria. The first is, do you have a good strategy? Do you have a good trading strategy? The second criteria is, do you have an edge? Do you have an edge? An edge means your whole trading setup and everything around your strategy. Number three is your psychology on point? Do you have a good psychology? Have you mastered your psychology? Have you mastered your emotions when it comes to trading? Do you know how to handle big losses? Do you know how to handle big risks? All these are part of your psychology. So have you passed these three criteria? I mean, really look at these three criteria and how sure are you've checked them? Are you 100% sure about this? This might sound a bit harsh, but I'm afraid to tell you, if you haven't checked any of these boxes, there's no way you're serious about becoming a profitable, a successful forex trader. Because there's no way you tell me you're a trader who's trying to become profitable and you have not checked any of these three boxes. These are the three simple steps, or rather criteria, you should have checked before you even think of making profit or being consistent or becoming even profitable at all. If I were in your shoes, I will do my possible best. I mean, everything in my power to enable that these boxes are being checked on. Well, no need to worry because I will help you with all of that. All you have to do is ensure that you are subscribed to my channel and your notifications bell is turned on, because I will be posting every Saturday and Sunday, dropping videos to help you improve your trading and also my trading strategies. The videos I'll be dropping will take you from where you are to where you want to be, or at least be consistently profitable. Now, for those of you who have your boxes checked, congratulations. I'm glad to tell you that you're on your way or very close to becoming a profitable and a successful forex trader. Let's move on. Let's start by analyzing the way you trade. Let me guess, you wake up, you just pick up your phone, scroll, look at the charts, look at the markets, and just end up taking a trade maybe later in the day, or some of you even take the trade instantly when you look at the charts early in the morning. You just pick up your phone, look at your chart, scroll, and you place a trade. Maybe you end up winning or losing. If this is you, then you are wrong. Totally wrong. You should not be trading that way. If you keep on trading that way, you will end up not becoming successful or profitable, because that is not how professional forex traders trade. Remember, forex is not just a hobby, it is a business. It's like a business, a job. You take it seriously. You don't just wake up early in the morning, pick up your charts, and just start placing trades randomly. Even though you already have your analysis and your setup, you don't just wake up and start taking trades that way. Here's a better way to go about it. Well, that's the trading routine we'll be talking about all this while. Now, your trading routine as a trader must consist of each of the following activities, which must be followed every trading day. These activities are what will actually determine if you're actually going to leave the stage you are and get to the stage you want to be. That is being profitable and consistent in the forex market. Because these are what successful traders live by. I know this because I've been in your shoes and I know how you feel. Trust me, it feels great and good to be profitable. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I had to research by studying these successful forex traders, a lot of them. It took me well over 5 years to get this information, which I'm going to give you all for free today. It took me over 5 years. So you don't have to go through the hard process of trying to figure things out yourself. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to include in your trading routine is waking up every day without expecting to place a trade. I know this might sound a bit strange and bizarre, but guys, this is actually it. You need to approach every trading day without any expectations, with zero expectation, with zero expectations. You only take what the market gives you. You wake up in the morning, go to the chart, and only take what the markets give you. Do not go into the chart expecting to place a trade. In fact, go into the markets day without even expecting to place a trade. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You do not go to the market with any expectations. If you go to the market with expectations, you end up getting disappointed and you end up getting losses you're not even supposed to even get in the first place. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, guys. When you wake up or whatever time of the day you're looking at the charts, you do not expect from the market. You should rather follow the market, follow what it gives you, use what the market gives you, not you going to the market expecting the market to move a certain way. You will not make money that way. You will not make money that way. Trust me, I've done this over the years. I've tried it. I'll go to the market expecting the market to form, maybe hit a support, bounce off the support, and then take a trade from there. Bro, I end up losing. Like, I even checked the trades I took. I'll be surprised that why did I even take the trade in the first place? And if you guys know what I'm saying, you'll be confused as to why you took that trade. That's if you journal your trades. That's if you journal your trades. I mean, journal simply means recording trades you take and then going back to recheck them to refine your strategy and refine yourself as a trader. If you journal trades, you would actually realize that. So do not go into the market expecting to take any trade. That's the first thing you should have when you're trading routine. Approach the markets with zero expectations. Do not expect to place a trade every day. The second thing that should be on your trading routine is taking high quality setups. Taking only high quality setup. That is taking your A setups. This speaks for itself, very clear and very simple to understand. Do not take any setup you're not sure about. You see a trade, does it pass your criteria? Does it meet your criteria for your strategy, for your proven strategy? Does it meet all the criteria it has to meet before qualifying as a trader for you? Does it check all the boxes? Does it meet your entry criteria before you take a trade? Is it your A setup? Is this your best setup? You should not go to the market and be taking random trades or taking trades that are not of high quality. You're just wasting money. You're giving away money out to the market. You shouldn't be doing that. Only take trades that are good quality or A plus setups. The third thing on the list is following your risk, or should I say your risk management strategy. If you don't have a risk management strategy, you should create one now. It matters. It matters a lot. This would save you lots of pain in the forex market. Honestly, you should have one. If you don't have one, create one now. Me personally, I risk 1 to 10% of my accounts per trade, depending on the account size. Risk management is what keeps you in the game of forex trading, guys. It would save you a lot. Just like the movie Game of Thrones, if you've watched Game of Thrones, every killer in that movie, they were simply trying to get the Iron Throne. The Iron Throne kept them going because they knew if they had the Iron Throne, it would give them great power over the whole country. I don't know, maybe it was England or so. In the world of trading, risk management is that throne. Once you have risk management in your arsenal, then you will have a significant amount of power over the forex market. Once you have the right risk management strategy, then you're good to go. You will last long in the game of forex trading and you will know that you're on your way to succeed. Risk management has saved me a lot of pain. Like, it has saved me a lot. Lucky for me, I was lucky enough to discover risk management at an early age of my trading. I think in my first year of trading, I understood risk management. So it saved me a lot of pain, saved me blowing lots of accounts because I was risking only 0.5 to 1% of my accounts per trade then when I was the beginner. But even though I've made mistakes and definitely over-risked my account and lost a lot of money that way. I over-risked and lost a lot of money. I think that's a beginner's mistake everybody has to make. Not necessarily if you have the right people guiding you when you're trading. The fourth thing you have to include in your trading routine is learning to step away when you need to. You have to learn to build satisfaction of following your trading routine. This will save you lots of time and money. Knowing when to step away from the market is a weapon you need to also have in your arsenal. For example, it could be your rule that after 2 or 3 losses, you should step away from the market because you cannot handle it psychologically. You guys get what I'm saying? You cannot handle it psychologically. So you have to exit the market after 2 or 3 losses. Because if you keep on trading after those losses, you might end up taking irrational decisions and causing you to lose more money. Might even blow your account daddy, who knows? So you have to master yourself. Master yourself. It is your duty to recognize these behaviors in yourself and step away from the market and take your time to readjust and put your psychology back on 100%, guys. The last thing to do or include in your trading routine is to simply trust the process, guys. Trust the process. You've put in hours, you've studied the charts, you've made some progress, you've also sometimes it feels you've put in the hours, you've studied the charts, you've made some progress, and sometimes it feels like you're not making progress. It all feels like everything is feeling like you've lost the progress you've had all the way from back then when you blow an account. Trust me, everything is part of the process. There's always lights at the end of the tunnel. In situations where you suddenly feel like everything you've been working towards on has completely failed. Trust me, it's all part of the process. Trust the process. Trust me when I say I and other successful traders have been in your situation, been in that space, been in that process. It's all a process and it's all part. But here's the truth, you haven't wasted your time. Everything was just simply part of the process. If you watch movies, you see how the heroes of the movie have to have a tragic beginning and they end up becoming the hero, end up becoming the main character. I mean, going through hardship, going through tough times, even losing loved ones in a way. I'm just saying that's the movie. Nobody's losing a loved one here. But you know how it works in movies. Then they end up being at the top, end up being at the top of the food chain. It doesn't come easy, guys. You have to just trust the process and keep on going. Know that there's light at the end of the tunnel. If you're ever going through this phase, not everybody will go through this phase. Some people might just be lucky enough to skip this phase. If you're going through this phase, just keep going and keep doing what you're doing, considering you're doing the right thing. Just keep on pushing, guys. Success is not or doesn't come overnight, guys. Success is achieved. It's achieved. So you have to be patient and just keep trusting the process and keep going, guys. Challenges will show up, but it's our duty to keep conquering and solving those problems. Even challenges you don't expect to come. You simply have to stick your head up high and overcome all these challenges. Well, with all that have been said, congratulations, you have now learned how to develop the right trading routine and you're on your way to becoming a profitable and a successful forex trader. My love, guys, can't wait to see you all making it and succeeding in the game of forex trading. Like and subscribe because I'll be dropping 2 videos weekly to take you from where you are to where you want to be. That is being profitable and successful in no time.